this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to use Interactive Broker's demo account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to interactivebrokers.com. Once you're inside of here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to create a free trial account. And to do that, you'll simply need to go up here to where it says careers and then free trial. Once you get inside of this, it should look something like this, where you can experience the ibkr advantage using your free trial account or demo account. From here, you'll simply need to click start your free trial. And from here, it should look something like this inside of the application page. Now from here, you'll need to create a username and password that you'll be using to sign into your demo account. Once from here, you'll simply need to enter in your email address, a username, a password, confirm password, and of course your country. You'll also be asked whether or not you want marketing preferences, and you can just click no to that and click start free trial once you're done with doing that. Once from here, it is time to install ibkr onto your computer and get into the dashboard or trading dashboard. Now, then from here, you'll simply need to go up to the login page over here, and then you can see portal login. From here, instead of clicking portal login, you'll simply need to go one down and click download ibkr. And then from here, you'll be able to choose Windows, Linux, Apple Silicon, or Apple Intel processor. You'll simply need to click download and just follow the steps that is required to download a simple program inside of your computer. Once you get inside of that specific software or ibkr, it should look something like this. Now from here, it should probably look something like this, where you can see the live trading account will be visible. Now from here, you'll just need to choose to paper trading instead, because paper trading is demo account or simulated money. From here, you'll just need to enter in your username that you just previously created and the password down here. Now from here, it should look something like this. And as you can see up here, this yellow line up here with the simulated money, meaning that this is your demo account that you're just logged into. Once from here, you'll see the portfolio over here, you'll see the watch list, quote, screeners, layouts, and lastly, the news. You'll also be able to see your net liquid over here, where you automatically will be set for about $1 million. You can also see your daily P&L if you want to do that. Once from here, you'll simply need to find a stock that you want to purchase or ETF's option. From here, you'll simply need to click search over here and click in the specific stock that you want to or instrument that you want to trade. Once from here, you can just choose Coca-Cola for this tutorial. And from here, it should look something like this, where you can see the 1 week chart, you can see the 1 day chart smart, and the 15-minute smart chart. Once from here, you'll be able to go over here to say real-time price non-consolable, and you can click either buy order or sell order depending on you want to buy, sell, or use a short to trade this specific stock. From here, you can just click buy order right here, and you can choose the quantity over here and change whether or not you want to do shares or USD. You'll also be able to add whether or not it should be a limit, market, or a stop order, and you can add the limit price and time in force right here. Down if you click attach orders, you'll also be able to take the profit taker and stop loss that you can then select and use for your advantage. From here, once you've done all that, you'll simply need to click submit buy order, and then from here it should look something like this, where you can add the order confirmation, and you'll be just able to click transmit, and you can see down here the order has been submitted, and you can see that over inside of the portfolio tab, where inside of the orders tab right here will be visible right here. Here you can also cancel your order if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!